Want to learn how to check RAM usage in Windows 10? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to check RAM usage on Windows 10, first of all, right-click on the Start button, click on Task Manager. Here, choose Performance. On this memory section, you can click on it and see that the RAM usage on my PC is 4.2 GB out of 7.9 GB, that is 52% of memory. So currently you can see every details about the cache, committed, paged pool, non-paged pool, and the whole gigabyte as well in use and the available one. So this is how you do it. This is how you check RAM usage on Windows 10. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.